Imagine this. You're sitting at home, checking the stock market, and you stumble upon a goldmine of information. The investment portfolio of one of the most influential figures in American politics, Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi. It's a treasure trove that not only reveals where big money is moving, but also raises a critical question. Should a sitting Congresswoman have the liberty to invest in public companies? Let's dive into the heart of Nancy Pelosi's portfolio. We see big names like NVIDIA Corp, Microsoft, Apple Inc., all heavy hitters in their respective industries. NVIDIA, a giant in semiconductors, is trading at a whopping $618. Then there's Microsoft and Apple, tech titans with market caps soaring into the trillions. These aren't just stocks, they're behemoths shaping our digital world. Now, Pelosi's recent transactions are fascinating. There's a pattern of buying into these tech giants and selling off others like Roblox Corporation and Netflix. It's a portfolio dance that aligns eerily well with market trends and economic forecasts. But here's where it gets intriguing and a bit concerning. Imagine having the power to influence legislation that could directly or indirectly impact these companies. The potential for conflict of interest is enormous. While there's no direct evidence of insider trading, the mere perception of a conflict can erode public trust. It begs the question, should those who craft our laws be allowed to play the market, potentially leveraging their position? But let's shift gears. What can the average Joe or Jane learn from Pelosi's portfolio? First, it's a window into where high-level investors are placing their bets. Stocks like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple are not just popular. They're viewed as stable long-term investments by someone with inside knowledge of the political landscape. These investments can signal market confidence, which might influence your investment strategy. Moreover, Pelosi's moves could be seen as a barometer for potential legislative changes. For instance, her investment in NVIDIA might hint at favorable conditions for the semiconductor industry. This kind of insight could be invaluable for investors looking to stay ahead of the curve. But let's not forget the ethical debate here. It's a delicate balance between personal freedom and public responsibility. While Pelosi's investments are legal and disclosed in compliance with the Stock Act, the optics are less than ideal. It leads us to ponder the rules governing such investments and whether they need a revamp to uphold public trust. In conclusion, Nancy Pelosi's investment portfolio isn't just a list of stocks. It's a narrative about power, perception, and the intersection of politics and the market. It's a reminder that in the world of investing, knowledge is power, and sometimes that power comes from the most unexpected sources. As we watch the market ebb and flow, let's keep an eye on those who hold the reins of power, for their moves might just signal the next big wave in the market. As part of our advisory role in helping you create real wealth and prosper, we thought you would like to know about this market insight, hiding in plain sight. We'll see you in our next video.